On January 9, 2025, at approximately 11:01 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a call of domestic violence. But what started as a routine response quickly turned into a dangerous encounter that tested the courage and professionalism of these officers. When police arrived, they started finding a 17-year-old suspect.
I couldn't tell. Hey, my man. You, come here. You, come here. Come here!
17-year-old suspect Tamari Stout, armed with both a pistol and a short-barrel semi-automatic rifle. Without hesitation, Stout opened fire on the officers.
Shots fired!
Shots fired, Victor 1025 block 1,
Male black. He's wearing a black shirt. He's running on Casa. He's got a rifle.
The suspect's actions were clear. He had no regard for human life. But despite being fired upon, these officers stood their ground, refusing to let him escape.
He's on Studer, running north from Casa.
Brown Studer from Casa.
He was just right there.
Keep the air clear.
Check that car. Check that car. The Durango. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Huh?
So who is Tamari Stout? At just 17 years old, he already has a criminal record that paints a disturbing picture. Let's take a closer look. In 2012, Stout was arrested at just 10 years old for possessing a stolen vehicle. At age 12, he was arrested for robbery. In 2021, he was charged with aggravated robbery, kidnapping, and more. And in 2023, he was caught with a concealed weapon, stolen property, and yet another stolen vehicle.
Lockboard, northbound, shots fired! He shot at our cruiser northbound, Lockboard, from Columbus.
Where are they pointing at? Right there, right there! Where's he at?
I don't know, I got on the floor. He's in the backyard over here against his kid, I guess.
In a tense pursuit, officers chased Stout through the neighborhood.
I don't either.
Finally, he was cornered in a backyard where he surrendered with his hands in the air.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! He's back here with his hands up. Get on the ground! You fucking move, I'll kill you! You fucking move, I'll kill you!
What's your address? He's got his hands up over here.
38 on the route.
Get on the fucking ground! Do it now! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground now! Hands up, motherfucker! Taking one into custody radio.
Copy, first unit, what game,
What's your address?
Even after everything, the officers remained professional, taking Stout into custody without further harm.
He came from over here. There's the gunfire over here. There are guns back
Guns blowing up here.
there.
When you guys get a chance, I need your